Wall-mounted tablets provide endless possibilities of what you can do with them because they're basically computers on the wall ready to make your life easier. Later on in the video, I'll dive into a couple specific things wall-mounted tablets can do. But the biggest problem with wall-mounted tablets today is they are expensive, damage walls, irreversible, require electrical work, and overall a long process to install. Hello everyone, my name is Matt Kaczynski and I started Lux Mounts in order to solve these problems. The mission of Lux Mounts is to create low cost, high quality, and easy to install tablet wall mounts. The first product from Lux Mounts is an inexpensive wall mount kit for the Amazon Fire 7, which you can install in less than 5 minutes. This is a great achievement because you can have a fully running wall mounted tablet computer in less than 5 minutes. Better yet, this mount does not damage the walls, requires no electrical work, is reversible, and not expensive. The reason I chose to create a wall mount for the Amazon Fire 7 is because they are absolutely amazing tablets for the price. You can pick up one from around $30 to $50. I bought mine on Black Friday for $30. This wall mount kit is compatible with both the first generation Amazon Fire 7 as well as the second generation. The way the mount works is it attaches to an existing rectangle light switch or outlet. If the outlet or switch is not a rectangle, you can pick up an adapter at your local hardware store. The kit comes with one short micro USB cable, one long micro USB cable, 2 screws, 4 buttons, and the mount itself. To install the mount, you simply remove the existing wall plate on your switch or outlet, then connect one of the included micro USB cables into the Fire 7. After that, place the Fire 7 into the mount and route the cable through the mount. On the mount, there are many channels and holes to route the cable. This is due to the fact that you can install the tablet to the left or right of the switch or outlet. Next, place the plastic buttons into the mount. Then place the mount with the Amazon Fire 7 over the switch or outlet and screw it into the existing holes with the included screws. Finally, plug the USB cable into either a USB outlet or a USB brick, then into an outlet. If the USB cable for some reason does not reach your outlet, you can pick up a USB extension cable from any retailer. For more detailed instructions, go to luxmounts.com/install. Now let's take a look at the mount. You have access to the full Amazon Fire 7 screen as well as the camera. Next, there is a mic cutout so you can talk to Alexa. Then on the side, there are 4 buttons. The first button is power, but the functionality of the next buttons depends on which Fire 7 you're using. If you're using the first gen Fire 7, then the next 2 buttons are volume. If you're using the second generation Fire 7, then the last 2 are volume. Finally, we have the 2 mounting screws and whatever you install the mount on, whether that be a switch or an outlet. Now that we know more about the device, what can it do? Well, here are some ideas. The most obvious thing you can do with a wall-mounted Amazon Fire 7 is ask Alexa to do stuff for you, because basically it is now a wall-mounted Echo Show. My favorite thing to ask is, Alexa, what's the weather? The device brings up a nice forecast for the next few days. The best thing and my favorite thing you can do with a wall-mounted tablet is control your smart home. If you have smart home enabled devices like me, you can access their apps from this tablet and control them, like Philips Hue, Samsung SmartThings, Wink, Nest, Ring, OpenHAB, and Home Assistant. Another smart home related thing you can do is access your security camera. If you have a web accessible security camera system like Ring or any IP camera, you can view it from the tablet and even have it on all the time to constantly monitor them. Have a piece of content you found on the web and want a bigger screen to share it on than your phone? Then you can simply cast it to the Amazon Fire 7 using either Google Cast or AirPlay. In order for this to work, you need to install the AirScreen app on the Amazon Fire 7. This leads me to my next thing I did. I installed the Google Play Store on the Amazon Fire 7. With the Play Store installed, I can install all of my favorite apps. One of the best places I see to have a wall-mounted tablet is in the kitchen. The kitchen is where people spend quite a bit of their time. With the Fire 7 on the wall, you can look up recipes by simply asking Alexa and then follow along on the big screen. It also does not take up any counter space like other devices. Another place that is an absolute flex if you have one and still useful is in the bathroom. When guests come over, they will be amazed and impressed that you have a screen in the bathroom. You can also enjoy content while you are doing your business, brushing your teeth, or getting ready. Pictures are how people bring back fantastic memories in their life, as well as a great conversation starter. On a wall-mounted tablet, you can have it cycle through your pictures, constantly having a different picture displayed. Think of it as a digital picture frame. A lockdown browser is an app or software where you only have access to a specific website. With a wall-mounted tablet, you can use that software and turn it into sort of a kiosk. You could have this in your house, an office, a restaurant, and more. Take people's orders, ask them surveys, or just simply have your website up. The possibilities with a wall-mounted tablet are absolutely endless. This is just a small list I had and things I use on a daily basis. Nowadays, with the App Store getting so big, I'm sure you can think of some way a wall-mounted tablet would be beneficial for you. To add on to that, I will be showing you how to do all the ideas I previously mentioned, because every Monday I will be releasing a new guide on the MK-SmartHouse YouTube channel and on the guides tab of luxmounts.com. In the guides every Monday, I will show you something new you can do with a wall-mounted tablet. If you are interested in picking up a wall mount kit for the Amazon Fire 7 from Lux Mounts, then head on over to luxmounts.com, or you can find it on Amazon. but it's cheaper if you buy it from luxmounts.com, as well as free shipping on all orders. The price will not stay the same if you are lucky and seeing this video the first day it comes out. Then for 48 hours, luxmounts.com will be offering founding customer prices where the price is the lowest it will ever be. To add on to that, there is not much stock available. 4 have already been sold before this video was posted. 2 of those people have already left reviews. Shout out to those people and thank you for your purchase. Currently at the time of the recording, you can only purchase the kit in the USA. Soon it will be available in Canada. This is because the mount is designed for USA receptacles. If you are in a different country with a different receptacle or would like to see this mount in a different configuration, such as 2 or 3 gang box compatible, then leave a comment below or send an email to contact@luxmounts.com letting me know exactly what you would want from the mount. If we get a lot of the same requests, then it might be a kit. If you have gotten this far into the video, thank you. As a reward, you can enter the Lux Mounts giveaway. Every month, Lux Mounts will be giving away a Lux Mounts kit and the device. So this month and into January, we'll be giving away an Amazon Fire 7 and a wall mount kit for it. The link to the giveaway is in the description or on luxmounts.com. Alright, thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, or head over to the help tab of luxmounts.com. Goodbye.